So here's an update to the stripped shower handle story. Thanks to a viewer on this channel, I was able to get the real solution, find out the real problem, which is the fact that the O-ring doesn't belong inside this gasket. I'm going to take it out and show you. In fact, this O-ring goes right up here on top of this, this bonnet. And there's even a groove here that you might be able to see where it sits in. And that's to prevent any leaks from spilling back into the wall. So I'm going to put that on now for you. There you can see it's nice and snug. Of course, we probably want to put some silicone grease on there so it'll do its job and last a long time. But now I should be able to put that sleeve on all the way back further, and there'll be less of a chance of these teeth missing when I turn the handle. Alright, I removed the O-ring and applied just a thin layer of silicone grease all around it on both sides of the ring, underneath and on top. Reinstalled it, and now we can put our sleeve back on. And it doesn't want to go, so I'm thinking perhaps it fits on this back end. Let's have a look. Yeah, indeed, I found that it doesn't fit when the sleeve is in the groove. Sorry, when the O-ring is on the groove there that I was showing you. So instead, I've put it just behind the groove, and now when I slip it on, it's a nice snug fit. And you can tell it's got a nice secure feel to it. So we're going to reinstall the handle. I've got that back on there, and you can see that it's fitting on there pretty nicely. And this is there's still a tiny bit of teeth showing on the inside, but not a lot. So I know I've got a good grab on it. But I decided instead to take the handle off one more time and just inspect the teeth really well, both in the handle and here on the fitting. What I discovered is underneath there was some teeth that had had some plastic that was worn off, and it was getting in the way, keeping it from having a good fitting. So I've cleaned that out now, and I'm going to try it again. There, that's an even better fit. So I've got this plastic piece on, and I'll go ahead and screw that back in. Alright, it's secure. Now this one's just going to snap right on top. And it's done. You can see it's a nice fit now. Working well. Thank you for watching. And please remember to hit the subscribe button so that YouTube will continue to support my channel. Take care.